4-in-1 Advanced Cryo Pads Body Contouring Machine. Introducing the 4-in-1 Cryo Fat Freezing Machine. Flat cryo handle for full contact and effective cryolipolysis. With simultaneous handles, treat multiple areas at once for faster and more efficient results. Safe, non-invasive, minimal discomfort, and quick recovery for a comfortable, effective treatment. Our advanced cooling technology reaches extreme temperatures, as low as -10 C, to target fat more effectively. Durable metal case for better heat dissipation and reliability, built to last. Upgrade your salon with the 4-in-1 Cryo Fat Freezing Machine and deliver top results to your clients.